brother, everything when I tell you not true. My business not for, and neck I don't go for another man.
No be juju be that. Nigga, we don't spend all your money on top. Nice to leave you for another man.
Now so I say I'm Ojo, now so I say am. As I did like this, code they catch me. Be like say I won't die.
Listen, Tom, I go send you one link now. Now lose sight. But make sure say you pay them back. Oh. These people they decrease past lie, you know.
I go try am Joe, but I hope say these people no be scam.
Tom, no be scam. Try am first. I dey go back to work. We will talk later.
Thank you, my brother.
Make I check out the link when Joe just send me. Hopefully I go get small thing because I broke die for this house. It be like say the text message don't enter. Which one be all this information when they ask me? They want my address. Oh, I will give them fake address.
You think say they wise?
Yeah, send. Oh, can't a poor man sleep in this country again? When I won't follow me, they drag sleep. Wait, be like say that alone, this thing don't enter. He enter. Hey, see money, see money. Egba me. 250k. God. I don't hammer. Now when God don't show me way, where I go take the see money now. I go show Neka. I will go carry a friend. Fine friend, Sandra. Yes, now she I go call. Sandra, baby.
This man!
Girl on the street. Waiting day now, babe. Your guy they hot too. Where you day now?
Tom, which one be this one where you dey call me? What happened to your wife, Nika? Abi she don't leave you, Nika?
Babe, take am easy. Take am easy. I know say I don't offend you. No vex. But right now, as I dey now, money dey my hand now.
Oh yeah, you know say I know dey waste time. You go see me now. Wetin you be dey talk? She make I dey carry my market dey go.
Not at all, babe.
Years old man. Oh, I'm no too much.
Now me, landlord, Mr. Tom, I won't see you.
Oh, try about this one with the landlord again this morning, Can't you let the poor breed? Good morning, landlord. How your day now? I hope say they enjoyed this weekend.
I beg, no tell me that one. Wetin good about this morning? Where my house rent? You just stay my house since they enjoy yourself. I dey hear your story.
Oga landlord, please get patient. No worry, sir. I will get the money for you. Get one of my container wey dey IC. Na wetin I dey wait for. That's why I never pay you.
Ogbeni, if you like, make your container come or make it sink for IC. That one no concern me. You get 1 week to pay me my money.
No problem, Oga landlord. All the money wey I don borrow as loan, now I don spend finish. On top of this sport betting and Mama Ijebu. And again, Sandra just dey chop me finish. Omo life. Omo, the first thing I need to do now to discharge this girl, Sandra. Then she come dey go. Oh yeah, Sandra, I be like say you come dey go. Abeg, party don end. Omo, na this loan people, na them dey call me now. They text me. Omo, these people they disturb pass mosquito sef. Make I answer them, make I even hear wetin they want talk. Hello, who be this?
Hello, this is Mr. Jackson calling on behalf of the Federal Gbese Collection Agency. Am I speaking to Mr. Tom?
Omo, na this oga of this loan company they call me now. Omo, na to deny my identity. After all, they don't know my address. They no fit find me. Sorry sir. This is Mr. Chooks, Mr. Tom's uncle. Mr. Tom don't go Canada last week on business trip. He say when he come back, he go pay una money.
Excuse me, young man, what did you just say?
Oga, don't tell you. Mr. Tom no dey Nigeria again. When he come back, he go pay you.
Listen, young man, we have all your information. I know you are Mr. Tom. And the long arm of the law is going to catch up with you very soon.
See this man, oh. Do you know who you are talking to? Listen, man, I tell you something. Just forget that matter. If you know if you wait for 5 years, forget that matter. You guys don't have my address, and I know if you catch me, nothing dey happen.
Oh, now I can see that you're a common criminal. Well, no problem. We don't contact everybody we know you. We know that you are a thief or a criminal, and we are also coming for you right now.
Oga, forget that thing. Stop to dey talk nonsense.
Who do you say here? Open up, this is the Nigerian police.
Yeah, you don't set oh.
Mr. Man, open this door. Open this door now before we break am down.
Oh, man, na to run oh.
Open this door now. Mr. Tom, you are under arrest. If you move, we'll light you for where you sit down.
No be juju be that. Photo.
Okay, that guy don't disappear.
No worry. You secure outside. I'll go inside go catch that criminal.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tom, there is no way to escape. Surrender now or else. Open this door, we'll light you well. I see make you run, you run. You this criminal. You go hear am today. Jay, this guy don't escape through window. This guy is a real criminal. I think he escaped through window so fast. Anyway, make I go back office, go report to Oga.
Jesus, what you got?
See this criminal. So na for roof you go hide. Mr. Tom. So you won't kill yourself, Adi? No problem. Dead or alive, you are still coming with us. Mr. Tom, on your get up. We try to lie down for here. No worry. Go reach station. You lie down well. And get better to say what I want put you inside. If you like, make that your container no come in time. From there, now straight to jail.
Oga, as I dey like this, shishi no dey my hand. Abeg, make una temper justice with mercy.
Mr. Tom, shut up there. Let us start to dey move. Oh yeah, move my friend.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.